Good morning, my wonderful students. This video will show you how to make a stop motion animation film. Go to your Google Classroom. Click on the learning plan. There are instructions on Tuesday, April 7th, Lesson 3, How to Create a Stop Motion Animation Video. So click here and let's do this together. Stop motion animation. On your phone, please get the app. It's called Stop Motion Studio. What is stop motion animation? Stop motion animation is a film technique that makes objects appear to be moving on their own. It's when, in other words, we put many pictures together, and when we put them together, it looks like a video. You say, Mrs. Basili, how can I do it? Let me explain. Number 1, write a story. You already wrote a beautiful immigration story. I will show you the story. It's in classwork and it's called My Story. You need to complete this document, and when you complete the document, you can create your video. Mrs. Basili already explained how to use this document in a previous video. So please make sure that you complete your story before you try to do stop motion animation. Okay, bye-bye. Let's go back. Okay, you wrote your story. Next, you need to get objects. All right, you're gonna get a couple objects to tell your story. I'm going to show you some different examples. You can use many different types of objects. You can even use candy, you can use clay, paper, Legos, or you can draw your very own objects to make your video very personal. This video shows an example with candy. This video shows an example with clay and a whiteboard. This video shows an example of paper. So someone cut the clouds and cut the balloon and the person and the head, and they moved the paper just a little bit, took a picture, move a little, picture, move, picture, move, picture, move, picture. And when you put that all together, it looks like a video. Here's another example for paper. And here's one example. It's very complicated with Legos, but these are just ideas for you. I suggest you stop my video right now and look at these examples. So, which materials will you use to make your video? Make sure you get the app, Stop Motion Studio. Next, secure your device, your iPad or your phone. When I say secure your device, I mean you should put it on a stool, and you see how there's a hole in the stool? So it can see, the camera can see this paper below so that it can take pictures without anything in the way. Here, the person decided to put it on a shelf, and there are holes in the shelf so that down here, the person can tell their story and move the objects. This is another example, and it is absolutely fine. The person put a piece of cardboard behind to hold the iPad in one spot. Now, you're going to set the timer. This is Mrs. Basili's attempt at a video. When you set the timer for 3 seconds or 5 seconds or even 10 seconds, your camera will automatically take pictures of the objects for you. This is good because then you don't have to click photo, 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 photo every time you want a photo. The camera might, or your phone might move, and we don't want your phone to move. Okay, so when you set up your camera, and every 3 or 5 or 10 seconds, it will automatically take a picture. You need to move your object just a little bit. Move, picture, 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 move, picture. You're going to take maybe 100, 200 photos for a very short video. Let's go to the next one. So start taking your pictures of an object. After you finish, you can record your voice. So Mrs. Basili did a video. You can see Mrs. Basili has 22 images, and I did something that was less than 1 second, actually. So you can see here I did 22 videos, and oops, my hand got in the way. But in every picture, the plant is a little bit different because I'm having it spin in a circle. I recorded my voice, and then you can send it to Mrs. Basili. There are some bonus features that you can look at by yourself. I suggest that the first thing you do is get the app and start taking pictures of one object. You should take a picture, move a little. Picture, move, picture, move, picture, move, picture, move. And when you go back and you press play, you'll see that object move like a video. Please text, email with any questions you have. Happy video making. Bye.